How to add multiple photos to the LinkedIn post? Okay, so in LinkedIn guys, you can post multiple image. Okay, so when you post image on your LinkedIn post, multiple posts, it will be show like I will show you on my LinkedIn. So I'm going to show my desktop. So guys, let's start with the video. Before we start, I request you, if you like this video, hit the like button, uh subscribe my channel, and don't forget comments below. So I'm show you. So here if I go, you have to log in with your profile and go to the start post and go to the image and just select images from your, just hold the control key or just select by select like scrolling by holding your right side button of your mouse, or you can hold the control key and you can select multiple images and you can open it and it will be show here like this. Okay, so if I post this, okay, something right, if I post it, okay, you can see it will be see like this if you post the image, okay, jpg file. But if you want look like swap up look, or you can say if you want to cursor post on LinkedIn post, you can make it. But if you need to convert the images into PDF, so first go to the Google and here find the jpg to pdf, jpg to pdf converter. Okay, so in Google you will see lot of site. You will see the first, I use small PDF. Open the any links and choose the file which is jpg file. Okay, you have to choose the file to convert them the PDFs. I just choose 5 files and open it, and it is converting now. Yeah, it is converted. Okay, it's uploading. So now you have to convert, so it will be convert as soon as possible jpg of PDF. So it is converted now and you can download from here. So download, so it is downloaded. So it is downloaded. So now come back to LinkedIn again, and if you want, click on start post and just, okay, I have internet problem. Once again to refresh, go to the start post, and now this time you don't need to go into image, go to the documents, and here you have to choose this PDF file which you have converted. So this is PDF file, so it is uploaded now. Just write something on title, and here you can see the images like look like swap. Okay, so you can swap the image like this. If you done, click on done or post it. So you can see it's look like slider and people can slide your image. It's like carousel post. Okay, so I hope you like this video. Please hit the like button, subscribe my channel. Thank you for watching.